The Material World 40. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the positive and negative influence of society and culture. A narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3294, advises that whichever path the second rightly guided Caliph of Islam, Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, took, the devil would take a different path, meaning out of fear of him. One of the reasons why the devil acted in this way was because he had little influence over Umar bin Khattab. May Allah be pleased with him. The devil cannot physically force someone to commit sins. He instead encourages them to do so through whisperings. But in order for them to be effective, he requires a person to possess some sort of worldly desire. Then through his whisperings, he encourages the growth of this worldly desire until it drives the person to act on it, thereby committing a sin. The reason the devil had little effect on Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, was because he had removed worldly desires from his heart. His only desires were connected to pleasing Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, if Muslims desire to minimize the effect the devil has on them, they should remove unnecessary desires from their heart. This only occurs when one refrains from indulging in the excess and unnecessary aspects of this material world. The more they do this, the more these worldly desires will leave their heart until they reach a point where they only desire to please Allah, the Exalted, in all their actions. The devil will flee from this person, as he knows he will have little effect on them. But the more one indulges in the unnecessary aspects of this material world, the more worldly desires they will possess, and therefore, the more influence the devil will have over them. Chapter 15 Al-Hijr, verses 39 to 40.
Iblis said, "My Lord, because you have put me in error, I will surely make disobedience attractive to them mankind on earth, and I will mislead them all, except among them your sincere servants."
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.